In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard on Google Meet. So first, you want to open up your Google Meet meeting, and then once you're inside your meeting, you want to click down here on this dotted icon to see the meeting tools. Click on that, and then over here, you want to click on this bottom right add-on plus icon. Once you click on this, you'll see this Google Workspace Marketplace, and you want to go to Search Apps and type in Whiteboard, just like this. Press Enter. And over here, you have a bunch of different whiteboards. Now, you can, of course, choose whichever one you want, but for me, we're going to go with this collaborative whiteboard right now. Click on it, and then click on Install. And then this will pop up, and over here, you'll have to basically just continue with your Google account. You'll have to select it and continue. And then this will start loading for a bit, and then once the loading is done, as you'll see, this will get installed into our Google Meet. There we go. It says stop using Figma because I'm currently using Figma, so I'm just going to do switch add-ons. But of course, in your case, you likely won't have to click that. And then over here, again, it's going to say sign in with Google. And then over here, you can just basically select which mail you would like to sign in with. I'm going to do the exactly same, which I'm in the meeting with right now. There we go. And after you see this button, so basically it says welcome and then your email, you'll be able to open up the whiteboard. Just click over here, open whiteboard, and then it says activity with collaborative whiteboard, and then it's going to basically tell you what you can do with it. Press continue, and just like this, your collaborative whiteboard has now been added over here to the left of your screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.